Alright, babies, it's rainy today. Did you get a moth? Yeah, you guys don't want out. I don't blame you. Good morning, ass shit. Morning, Chloe. Morning, Bear. Morning, Neil. Good girl. This hole has grown. So I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna get some mesh. The stuff's just dumping out. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got what I need, which is a brush, angle grinder with a cutting disc, and some hardware cloth. Yes, hardware cloth is made of metal. First step is going to be to clean this. I thought this came out. I think it's so swollen in there that it won't. We're basically gonna put the camera away again for a second, give this another effort, brush this out so it's clean. I'll show you how clean I get it. Then I'm gonna cut out some fresh mesh to go on top. You'll see what it looks like. See you in a moment. Okay, well, I actually stapled that in, I remembered, so it's solid. You can see I've gotten this a lot cleaner. Next, I'm gonna be cutting this to slide in here. I'll show you that when that's cut out. There we go, so I got it cut out. I've cut all the little tail ends off and ground them down. You can see I missed those two there. I'll pick those out. So it's safe. Now, I just need to slide it in under the old divider here, which again, I'm gonna turn you off so I have two hands. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, and there we are. New mesh put over top. Should keep stuff from falling through the holes. As you can see, there was one forming there, and that was the big one everything was falling through. So I'm just gonna put this out of the rain. This down here under the umbrella. And we'll dump its first load in. Come on, girls. Bear. Chloe, Astrid, Neil. Here you go. Yummers. Good as new. Chicknick table repaired. Oh, and I thought I'd show you this. I shot all the rats that were the issue. So if there's any rats, there wouldn't be corn left overnight. Oh, Neo doesn't want to get wet. Smart girl. No eggs yet. Hopefully I'll get some later today. Yeah, that's true. Meow. Good girl. Get in on this. I remembered I stapled the middle part in because it kept falling out every time I would empty the old food out. Neo! Worms! Come on, Neo! I know, it's rainy, I'm sorry, but you gotta come get your wormies. Neo! You're not gonna come? I'll chuck a couple under there for you then, sweetie. There we go. He is adorable. But yeah, it's raining pretty good, as you can see on my shoulders, and the drips everywhere. Oops, bad camera shoot. Alright, well the girls are hiding where it's dry, so not very exciting. So I'm going to leave the video there. You guys take care. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.